How technical do SEOs need to be?
When and I find I get more technical, the more defensive the developer gets. So that's the thing. Like, if I work with a developer that just says, "Well, I know you need, this is what you say you need to do," or the person says that this solution. So if the developer is willing to be collaborative and not trying to, it's not getting defensive, then it's easier. But when the developer is like, "No, this cannot be done," then you have to go and test it somewhere to show the client that it has to be done. So I think it just depends on the relationship. Our example was CSS, cleaning up CSS, and then the developer gave the client this outrageous quote, and I was like, seriously, you built this, you built it wrong, you created this messy CSS, you should clean it up. So it's things like that just if the developer gets defensive, and then you have to get more technical to justify your point. Yeah.